It's the 70s, and this is a swinger. Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to Maple Leaf Customs in Switzerland. I'm Andrew, and on the bench today is a 1 to 64 scale 1968 Hot Wheels Dodge Dart. This one comes in a Ramchargers livery, which, if I'm not mistaken, really belongs on a 62 Dart that made its name in drag racing. No matter, I'll be respraying this one in a popular Mopar color, putting on some bumblebee stripes, and we'll pretend it's got a 440 V8 under that hood scoop. My very first car actually was a Dodge Dart, but it was a four-door, and it was brown. Not so cool. But I loved it, and you never forget your first. So I see great customizing possibilities in this one. Nothing too special about it once I get it cracked open. Notice Hot Wheels put staggered wheels on it, so I'll try to replicate that, but with real rubber. Alright, time to get at it. According to my research, the Dodge Dart is a line of passenger cars produced by Dodge from the 1959 to 1976 model years in North America, with production extended to later years in various other markets. The production Dodge Dart was introduced as a lower-priced full-size model in 1960 and 61, but became a mid-size car for one model year, 1962, and was then reduced to a compact for two generations from 63 to 76. Chrysler had first used the Dart nameplate on two Italian-styled show cars in 1956 and 57 before it became a Dodge model name. The Dart nameplate was resurrected for a Fiat-derived compact car that they introduced in 2012. The two-door sedan was dropped at the end of 1968 and replaced with the Swinger two-door hardtop for 1969, available in custom, GT, and GTS trim. They also added the Swinger 340. At the top of the Dart performance range for 1969, there was limited availability of the 440 V8 in the Dart GTS model. With just a few weeks remaining in 2025, I'll give you a Porsche 911 Turbo. The Four Horsemen theme for December is Santa Claus. And a 2025 year in review video of all of my customs. '70s Mopar means far out colors. I've chosen Magma Orange for my throwback Dart. Looks gorgeous on this bare spoon. That is deep and rich. I had a lot to choose from in the Kaleido Auto Colors set. Oh yes. I'm happy with this choice. Today's community shoutout goes to RC67 Diecast Collector. I invite you to become a regular visitor and a subscriber of his. I made up some bumblebee stripes for the trunk lid. And I do like the black on orange look. There's a Dodge badge up front. I've added the correct swinger logos behind the doors. But after a cup of coffee and a clear head, I thought it would look much better with white graphics on the stripe. Yep, that's better. These are the tail lights I found on Google Images, so they go on in decal form as well for precision. And it's looking good. 440 badges up front too. I left the chassis in shiny chrome, but as is my practice, I added a Maple Leaf Customs channel logo to it. That's always the personal touch. And then I decided that was too much orange, and the best spot that I could black out to keep with the color theme is the big hood scoop. I think that was a brilliant call. What do you say? One more look at the original wheels that Hot Wheels provided. I'm going with this staggered set of Samed wheels in real rubber. Great big fatties on the back, 12mm, 10s up front. You can check out Samed wheels at any of their online sites and use the code MAPLELEAF to get a free bonus gift whenever you make your next purchase. I put 2 coats of Kaleido gloss varnish on top of the Dart and let that set up overnight. It never did touch the glass or the interior. But this one called for a new set of tires, so that's been done. And it's an easy reassembly. Let's have a closer look. Beautiful, vibrant magma orange respray. That's the standout feature on this one, with black highlights, including bumblebee stripes, deckled tail lights, lots of Dodge and appropriate swinger badges in all the right places, big set of brand new Samed wheels for laying some serious rubber. I do remember the Ramchargers race team quite well from back in the day. But I wanted to do something wow. I think I got it with the magma orange respray. Oh, you can't miss this one when it pulls up in the driveway to pick up your daughter. Probably hear it coming before you see it. Ah, the 70s was all about excess, wasn't it? Sure was when it came to your personal ride. Great fun for me to have this 70s flashback. I hope you enjoyed this video too, and I welcome you back soon and often. It's coffee time.